Imagine eating dessert, and instead of feeling guilty, you're actually helping your body regrow stem cells, starve cancer, and burn fat. Sounds impossible, right? Well, science is now proving that certain sweet foods, yes, desserts, can literally supercharge your health. In this video, you'll discover 5 delicious desserts that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also unlock your body's natural healing power. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share the one dessert most people overlook, but it might just be the most powerful of all. This is not just dessert, it's medicine disguised as indulgence. Imagine melting a square of rich 70% dark chocolate and drizzling it over a bowl of vibrant blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. What looks like a guilty pleasure is actually one of the most powerful health-boosting desserts you can eat. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids, natural compounds that improve circulation, protect your brain, and activate stem cells that keep your body young and strong. Pair that with berries, which are loaded with anthocyanins that repair DNA, fight inflammation, and literally cut off the blood supply to cancer cells, and you have a dessert that heals as it delights. Even better, the natural fiber and antioxidants in this combination help regulate blood sugar, which means you burn fat instead of storing it. One of the biggest psychological wins here is that you feel satisfied. Your taste buds get the sweet, rich reward they crave, while your body gets the nourishment it desperately needs. I've seen people swap out late-night ice cream for this bowl and notice more energy, clearer skin, and even a slimmer waistline within weeks. Dessert doesn't have to destroy your health. It can rebuild it, one bite at a time. This dessert is a quiet warrior, creamy, comforting, and secretly fighting disease at the cellular level. Green tea matcha pudding may look like a simple sweet treat, but every spoonful delivers a powerful punch of healing compounds. Matcha, that vibrant green powdered tea, is rich in EGCG, one of the most studied plant compounds known to starve cancer cells by cutting off their blood supply. When blended with almond milk, chia seeds, and just a touch of raw honey, matcha transforms into a dessert that nourishes rather than sabotages. Chia seeds add omega-3 fats, fiber, and protein, keeping blood sugar stable and promoting fat burning long after you've finished eating. The pudding's creaminess tricks your brain into believing you're indulging in something decadent, while your body is busy activating stem cells, reducing inflammation, and protecting your heart. One client told me she swapped her nightly cookie habit for matcha pudding prepared the night before. By week 2, she noticed sharper focus, fewer sugar cravings, and even dropped a few stubborn pounds. The secret lies not just in what it does for your body, but how it reshapes your relationship with dessert. You'll crave it not only for the taste, but for the energy and renewal it gives back. This dessert is proof that sweet cravings can heal your body instead of harming it. A pomegranate yogurt parfait is not just beautiful to look at, it's layered medicine disguised as indulgence. Imagine a tall glass filled with creamy Greek yogurt, jewel-like pomegranate seeds, crunchy walnuts, and just a drizzle of raw honey. Each ingredient works in harmony to repair, protect, and energize your body. Pomegranate seeds are rich in ellagic acid, a compound shown to activate stem cells and slow down the inflammation that drives aging and chronic disease. Greek yogurt brings in gut-friendly probiotics, which strengthen your immune system and improve digestion, 2 essential foundations for long-term health. Walnuts add omega-3 fats and polyphenols that not only fight inflammation but also starve cancer cells at their root. And that small touch of honey? It satisfies your sweet tooth while delivering enzymes that support healing. Psychologically, this dessert is a game changer. You feel like you're indulging in something luxurious, but you're actually making an investment in your health. One viewer once shared how replacing her nightly sugary snack with this parfait helped her lose stubborn belly fat and finally sleep through the night. Delicious, satisfying, and science-backed. This is dessert with purpose. This dessert feels like comfort food for the soul, yet it's secretly transforming your health from the inside out. A warm cinnamon apple bake may remind you of homemade pie, but instead of spiking your blood sugar and packing on pounds, it's quietly working to heal your body. Apples are rich in quercetin, a powerful flavonoid that has been shown to reduce cancer risk, fight inflammation, and even stimulate stem cell regeneration. When you slice them, sprinkle with cinnamon, and bake until golden, you unleash not just flavor, but medicine. Cinnamon itself is a metabolic booster. It helps regulate blood sugar, speeds up fat burning, and curbs cravings, making this dessert both satisfying and slimming. Add a handful of crushed almonds or pecans on top, and you bring in healthy fats and polyphenols that protect your heart and brain. Psychologically, this dessert is powerful because it taps into nostalgia. The smell of warm apples and cinnamon signals comfort, safety, and reward. But here's the twist. Instead of guilt, it delivers energy, focus, and renewal. One family I worked with swapped their weekly pie night for this lighter apple bake, and within weeks they noticed better digestion, steady energy, and slimmer waistlines, all while still enjoying dessert. This dessert is bite-sized pleasure that doubles as anti-aging medicine. Red grape and dark chocolate frozen clusters may look like a simple treat, but they are loaded with compounds that fight disease, burn fat, and even slow aging. Red grapes are packed with resveratrol, a natural antioxidant studied for its ability to activate stem cells, extend lifespan, and protect your heart from damage. When you dip them in melted dark chocolate, 70% or higher, you supercharge the effect with flavonoids that improve blood flow, fight inflammation, and even starve cancer cells by cutting off their blood supply. Freezing the clusters not only locks in the nutrients but also changes the eating experience. You savor each bite more slowly, helping you feel satisfied with less. Psychologically, this dessert is genius. It feels like candy, yet your body treats it as fuel for healing and renewal. One woman in her 60 seconds told me she swapped her nightly handful of cookies for these frozen clusters, and within weeks, she noticed brighter skin, less joint pain, and even fewer sugar cravings. It's proof that dessert can be both indulgent and medicinal. With just grapes and dark chocolate, you're enjoying sweetness today while investing in your health for tomorrow.